first we're going to start by getting our pan ready. Then we're going to add our lemon zest and sugar. Combine that up. Get the rest of our dry ingredients combined, which is our flour, baking soda, and baking powder with that salt. Now we're gonna get our wet ingredients ready. So that sugar mixture we just did with the olive oil and the lemon juice. We're gonna mix that up. Next, we're gonna combine our eggs, and as always, do it into a separate bowl for any eggshell problems. Add in your vanilla extract to the milk. Stir that up, and now we're gonna start adding our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Combine. And then add our milk mixture and alternate between those two. As always, remember to scrape the sides of the bowl. And then pour in that batter. Make sure you scoop out all of it, you know, want to use it all, and then gently tap it to get any air bubbles out. Now safely put the pan in the oven while being careful because the oven is hot. The glaze is really simple. We're gonna just sift out some powdered sugar, measure that out, add in our lemon juice, and just get to stirring. A whole lot of stirring. You can also use the glaze recipe that they have on their website, but I just went for something a little bit more simple. So now we're gonna pop out our cake. Remember, the pan is hot, so be careful. Give it some taps. And unless you just for some reason can't grip it with the oven mitts, which is okay, quickly just try to remove the pan. So, while the cake is still warm, you're just gonna poke holes at the top of it. You can use a pastry brush or just the faith and just get to pouring on top of the cake. Super easy, super simple. I'm gonna allow the cake to soak all that up, and then